Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove AI bot on Snapchat. First, go to your Snapchat app, then click on chat option at the second menu in the bottom of your screen. Then you will find My AI. This is the AI bot of Snapchat. Hold this conversation until the menu will comes up. At the third from top, you will find chat and notification settings. Click on it and first you can see clear from chat feed, and second is unpin conversation. You can unpin this conversation from your chat list. Now click on clear from chat feed and click on clear to confirm the process. Now here you can see the AI chatbot is now vanished from my chat list. This is how you can remove your AI chatbot from Snapchat, but there is no options to delete this AI bot permanently on Snapchat. But you can clear the conversation that you have with the AI chatbot of Snapchat from your chat list. Hope you found this video helpful. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.